Hi, my name is Brent Smith with Cooltech USA, and today we're going to be giving you a quick demonstration on how to install our smart pool jet. These are the components required. This is our wall insert. This is our reservoir cap. This is our locking reservoir cap. These are our riser extensions. They are 2 inches apiece. This is what they look like pre-assembled. This is our 45-degree riser extension. This is our 5-stream nozzle tip. This is our jet nozzle. They come in various orifice sizes to control the flow of water to the jet and the fountain. And this is our nozzle locking cap. So the first steps would be to screw the wall insert into the wall and attach the reservoir cap like this, and then measure from the top of the reservoir cap to the water level. After you have those measurements, you can calculate how many 2-inch riser extensions you need. In this case, we needed 6. So you just assemble them pretty easily, they click together. And then you can clip them to the reservoir cap. Then you can take your 45 and clip it into the extensions as well. And then you take your nozzle tip. These will come in different sizes and shapes in the future, and it clips right into there as well. Then you will take your wall insert and you will screw it into the flange on your pool wall. Make sure you get it nice and tight so it doesn't move. Then you will take this side of the reservoir cap and slip it onto the wall insert. And you can turn everything the way you need it. Adjust the angle. Then you take the locking cap, insert it through the reservoir, and screw it into the wall insert to lock it into place. If this is not in the area that you need it, you can adjust it here before you lock the cap. Go ahead and lock it in the position I like. Then you take the nozzle and you insert it into the orifice of the locking cap. You take the locking cap and insert it over the nozzle and screw it into the locking cap. So once you get it kind of snug, you can actually adjust the nozzle to the direction that you would like. In our case, we want to shoot it up, so we're going to put our finger in it right there, hold it in place, and lock the cap down. Locking the cap down will lock the locking reservoir cap to the reservoir to the wall insert, therefore locking this in place. It's that simple.